Hey, Stephanie Maye here with Maven Commercial Real Estate, and today we're talking about reasons why to buy. Here it is. Your business is growing. Your bank tells you, go and buy a building. Why are they saying that? Because they know that owning your own building is a hedge against future inflation. We have guys that we're working with that had the chance to buy a building 30 years ago. Their rents are coming up for renewal, and they're almost at a point of deciding whether they stay in business or not because they didn't secure a mortgage that was the same price or a little bit more than what their rent would have been. The other reasons are structuring of the deal. It doesn't necessarily matter if interest rates are rising. If you can structure it where you have a vendor take back, you have interest-only payments, you have the ability to raise rents and refinance. There are lots of ways and strategies that we can help you with to make sure that you structure the deal to maintain through this time frame. Taking advantage of quality buildings. Let me tell you, these A quality do not come along very often. It might be another 30, 40, 50 years before they come around again. So if you can jump at the chance, you do it, and you figure out how to not leverage too high, but take advantage of it. And the last point is, when the stock market is falling, crypto is falling, inflation is rising, what is the tried and true best store of value? Real estate. Thanks for listening.